To create your HHAeXchange profile, start by downloading and opening the HHAeXchange app. Select your preferred language, then tap Sign Up. Enter your email address and create a password, then tap Sign Up. Next, log in using the same email and password. Tap Terms Accepted to continue. Now tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Update Profile. Enter your first name, last name, the last 4 digits of your social security number, select your gender, your date of birth, and confirm your email address and phone number. Tap Create in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear showing your 7-digit mobile ID. Please share this mobile ID with your coordinator. Once your coordinator links your mobile ID to the agency system, your HHAeXchange account will be fully created and ready to use. To clock in, log into your HHAeXchange app using your email and password. Tap Today's Schedule, then select the member you are visiting. Tap Clock In and choose GPS. Confirm your location. A confirmation pop-up will appear, and the Clock In button will change to a lighter color, displaying your clock-in time. Congratulations! You have successfully clocked in. To clock out, open the HHAeXchange app and log in. Tap Today's Schedule. Then select the member you are visiting. Tap Clock Out, choose GPS, and confirm your location. Next, select the duties you performed and tap Save in the top right corner. A confirmation pop-up will appear. The Clock Out button will turn a lighter color and display the confirmed time. Congratulations, you have successfully clocked out.
Welcome to the training for the My Availability feature. Log in to your account on the HHAeXchange mobile application. From the home screen, tap on My Availability to set or update your schedule. Tap on the day or days you are available to work. Enter your preferred working hours. If you are available for a live-in case, you can leave the time fields blank. When selecting availability, choose Prefer Only. We recommend not selecting Might Work. Once your hours are entered or live-in selected, tap Save. Make sure to complete availability for all the days you are available. If you have more than one time slot on the same day, tap the plus icon in the top right corner and add availability too. For temporary availability, such as for 1 day or 1 week, tap on Special Availability and select the specific dates. The days will appear automatically during the selected dates. Set your availability and tap Save to complete the process. Thank you for your time and patience. Please scan the QR code to stay connected with us.
To accept open shifts using HHAeXchange, start by logging into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Open Shift section. Here you'll see a list of available cases. Each case includes important details like the location, date, and day. If a case is labeled as single, it means it's a one-time visit. If it's a permanent case, that means it includes multiple visits on a fixed schedule. Next, review the available options and select the cases you're interested in by checking the box next to them. After you've made your selection, Our team will review your request. Remember, you can request up to 5 cases from the available cases in Open Shift section. Once you're assigned to the case or cases, you will be contacted with further details, or you can also contact us at 718-42-44200.